Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command c colon and simply press enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space windows and press enter. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c colon / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type attrib space c colon -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type ren space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.